Well, at long last, here I am tearing out my motor.
On Friday?
Yeah, and getting ready to jack it up right now. And here we go. Here goes nothing. Okay, it does not want to separate from the transmission, so I got to try to pry that loose, see what happens. It's probably a dowel or something holding it somewhere, and I don't know where I can find a place to pry on it. Yeah. I have to pause the video. She's swinging free. I don't know if I'll be able to lift it high enough to get it over the core support or not. Wish me luck. Here we go. Well, that went perfect. I got plenty more height to go. I could have gone another foot. Just lifted it up and pushed the car back, and there you go. Nice empty engine bay. Put a new 440 in there. A new transmission too. Old slant 6 boat anchors going to the dump. Well, here's my engine bay all cleaned up and painted. I think it turned out really good, considering what I started with years ago. All the inner fender inner wheel well skirts on both sides were completely rusted out. This fender is a replacement. It was shot. This one I repaired. I replaced all this metal from here back. And it's been a long journey to get to this point, but I'm ready, or will be after this dries a few more days, make sure it's good and dry, to go ahead and put that monster in and hope it all fits. My biggest question is about this thing right here. This it's a 4-speed with a lockup torque converter. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in. I made some modifications to it, like I read that you can do, and fit them. I ground this out. I cut all this lip off over here, and hopefully it'll fit in there, but I'm going to roll it under there tomorrow and just eyeball it and see how far off it's going to be to fitting, but I think it'll hopefully work. You can see, you can still see some transparency on the low down on the firewall there, but it's protected, it's coated. I doubt if you'll ever see that once the motor's in there anyway, so all you're really going to see is like right around here anyway. So I like it. I think it's great. I think it's going to be really nice.